Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can delete stories on Facebook. It's very easy and simple. So all you have to do is first of all go ahead and open our Facebook application and the home page will appear somewhat like this. So as you can see, I have uploaded one story on my Facebook. Now go ahead and tap on that story. Now here on the top right corner you can see the three dots option. Go ahead and tap on it. And here you get so many options either to edit your story privacy, save video, archive video or delete video. So what you can do is simply go ahead and tap on delete video and it will ask you for the confirmation whether you want to delete your story. And if you wanna surely delete your story, go ahead and tap on delete and you are good to go. So this is how easily you can delete stories on Facebook. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.